Hi friends, this video I will show you how to make exit re-entry visa through Muqeem. Okay friends, see for that we must know first we must know the employees how many month he have in Akama expiry. Okay, after that only we can know how many month we can give vacation. Okay friends, then after that we must pay if 1 month on or 2 month until 60 days 200 real, if 3 month 300 real, 4 month 400 real, 5 month 500 real, 6 month 600 real. Okay friends, this is we must check. Okay, see, we must log in Muqeem. Okay, we will receive OTP using our company username password. Now I am login in Muqeem using our company username password. I will receive now OTP. Okay, say I received the OTP. Okay friends, see, this is our Muqeem home page. Here I am just converting to English. Okay, if you need Arabic you can change language Arabic. Okay, here we have to go residence management. There we have to click search for resident. Here we have to give who is going vacation. No, his employee is Akama number. Okay, this month this employee need 4 month vacation. Okay, but he have Akama only 6 month only. I already checked. Okay, see, then after Akama, then we have to give search. Then here I am just changing language English. Okay, here see Akama expiry date, we must check the Akama expiry date. After that, okay, from here we can know how many months we can give vacation. If Akama is not available, Akama date not available, we have to extend this Akama. So just click view. See, there is view icon. Just click this information in Muqeem. After that, here we have to check his passport number. If he have new passport, we must check the new passport number, it's updated in Muqeem or not. Okay friends, this is very important. If not matching his passport number, his new passport number and the Muqeem passport number, we must update his new passport in Javaja. Then only we have to make re-entry. Okay friends, now I already checked his passport number. Okay, it's already updated. Same what he have passport, no, same passport number here available. Okay, so I'm just checking his Akama expiry. So from here, for making re-entry there is two steps. Okay, one, we can give vacation from airport from departure date, or we can make vacation. See, click Georgia service, I am making vacation. See, I already put 400 real in his Akama, so it's already showing 400 real. So 4 month vacation. See, visa type, here we have to click single visa, then visa validity. Now I am giving 120 days. I'm just checking. I think it's not possible because in his Akama he have only 6 month only. Okay, so it's below 6 month, so it's not possible. Okay friends, there is visa validity. If we need 4 month vacation and his Akama is more than 7 month, it's possible from airport we can make through days, 120 days. So here I must give days only. Return before means 4 month vacation from today when I am making re-entry. The same date this visa will start. So this is Arabic, so we must know the Arabic date, today Arabic date. After that we have to calculate and we have to make vacation until 4 month. Okay, we can understand. After this, if we not accept, we have to reduce 1 day. Then it will accept. Okay, then after the next page it will show the English date also. From there we can confirm. See, I'm just making vacation. This day I already calculated until 12/7/1445. Okay friends, after this we have to give continue to pay 400 real already in his account. It will debit from here. Okay, see, insufficient balance means it's going another day, so I reduced 1 day. Okay, because 4 month now it should be 400 real only it will take. So I reduce 1 day, then I'm just continue to pay again. See, now accepted. From here we have to check again if there is mistake or not. The Akama expiry date, return before date, how many days he will get vacation in English date. Here it will show the English date also. Okay friends, see, here already mentioned English. So if everything okay, see, 400 real is free. Here issue visa. Now we will receive OTP. Okay, from our company HR manager will receive OTP. That OTP we have to input here. Okay, now now we received OTP. Now I am inputting. Okay friends, after inputting OTP we must click verify. If verify once done, see, now exit re-entry visa issued successfully. Here we can check. Okay friends, for printing exit re-entry visa it will take 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes we have to come, we have to check all the information. After 5 minutes for printing re-entry visa we have to come again home page, Muqeem home page. See, I will show you here. Here I am just checking written before everything. Okay, see, we have to go, we have to print. Now we are going to print the visa, re-entry visa. So residential management, search for resident, Akama number, again same like before. I change English, then view. Here see, there is visa. Just click the visa, just click visa option. Once we click, it will show here down. See, change English, here it's showing. See, 119 days duration visa, re-entry visa, starting from today. Okay friends, now we are going to print this one. We have to click here, already mentioned when you have to come back, return before, you must come before that day. Just click view icon. Okay, see here print visa. If you click print visa, see, now it will already downloaded. Now I am just opening the visa. See, this is re-entry visa. Okay friends, please support and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt about Muqeem, you just ask me in comment section, I will reply you. Please share to your friends, support my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you friends, please support and subscribe my channel. Thank you.